In this programme, I'm taking on an item so ubiquitous that most of us don't give it a moment's thought: the toothbrush.
Various civilizations would have been using something like this around about 3,500 BC.
Today's toothbrushes are packed with everything from 2,000 synthetic nylon bristles.
There's a picker that picks up a bundle of the filaments.
To innovative new materials.
These are plastic granules made from sugarcane.
But does it need to be this complicated? This one is sort of grotesque. Can I go back to basics?
Fundamentally, what we're trying to do is clean.
And make the perfect toothbrush just for me. Brushing our teeth is hopefully something we all do. And it's quite mundane. But actually, when you delve into it, there's a bewildering array of extraordinary objects and materials involved in this process of keeping our mouth clean. To stand out from the crowd, manufacturers are constantly challenging the design status quo. But do these added features actually make a difference to our oral health? You could go as basic as your classic plastic toothbrush. Then you get hybrids like this that look very much like a manual brush, but vibrate. Do they do any good? Who knows? But it's another thing to sell us. Bristles that are many different shapes. High-tech brushes that talk to apps and tell you you're doing it wrong. It's hard to separate the science from the marketing spiel, so I want to discover the thinking behind the origins of the toothbrush with a trip to the British Dental Museum. Hi, I'm Zoe.
Hi, pleased to meet you, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
Come on.
Curator Rachel Bairstow is taking me through some of their hidden treasures, preserved for posterity.
How about this one? Bit of an experiment from the 1850s.
Sponge on a stick. I like it. They hold a collection of over 25,000 different items. And there's a tiny tube.
Tiny little toothpaste tube.
I'm so close to tasting it, I won't. All used at some point in history to help keep our gnashers in tip-top condition.
So this is an 1878 treadle drill. 2,000 rotations a minute. Come on, Zoe.
Implement of torture.
He's incredible now. You can do a filling.
So what's known about the very earliest history of the toothbrush?
Come and have a look at these.
What were brushes like before they got so complicated?
Here we have chew sticks. Various civilizations would have been using something like this around about 3,500 BC.
And then that's the part you brush your teeth with?
Yes.
Incredible. In the depths of the museum's basement archive lie more hidden historic dental delights.